Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz Access Show. We are in our 6th review episode of the season.
For this week, our Access team got a chance to go behind the scenes and speak with a few quizzers. Let's take a look.
We're getting closer to the finals, and this week we hear from the teams as they share their thoughts about the matches and getting through their rounds.
The questions were like pretty much general knowledge, like everything you know, but you know, as the competition go further on, the questions get harder, so it's based on the knowledge you have.
We started drilling methods, longer training hours, and attending more practice matches for our preparation.
So from my opinion, I thought that the questions were fairly easy.
The SCQ Access team caught up with the coaches and veteran broadcaster Neville Bell to hear their thoughts about this year's Schools Challenge Quiz competition.
For us, round one was, I didn't think we played our best game, but under the circumstances, I'm glad for the victory. We realized we made some mistakes, and during the break that we had, we ensured that we worked on those weaknesses in preparation for the second round match.
Well, the questions were fair enough. I do not see any that we need to change at this point.
I enjoy this every year. It was particularly exciting for me this year because St. George's College got past the first round. We have won this competition a couple of times, but a long time ago, and we haven't been doing really well in recent times, so that was good to see. But I'm always amazed.
Flawless work from these teams. Come on, man.
Everybody won the title for 2020. I'm gonna wrong them.
Okay.
We want it too.
Okay. Congratulations to all the teams who won their matches for this week.
Real good job, guys. And it's time for our SCQ Access Camp.
So, we are going to translate some Spanish words to English. Are you ready? Alrighty. First, pequeño.
Little.
Small. Bikini.
Por favor.
Please.
Please.
Adiós.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
How are you?
Bye. El hombre.
Man.
Hungry. Demon. Hungry. I'm hungry. No. Man. Sorry. Yeah. No. Just from hungry. Just from hungry. That's why.
Yeah, man.
The streets.
Spanish. You know any Spanish?
French for 7 years.
I know Spanish. Me llamo Andres Skin. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Moving on. Okay. Look out for the SCQ camp in your area soon. Alright, we're upon our final break, but before we go, let's show our trivia question. Which word is spelled incorrectly in the list below? Camouflage, comprehensive, complicated, or compress?
Don't forget, knowledge is power, so sharpen your skills and do some research to see if you can get the answer to that one. Of course, we'll reveal the answer later on in the show, so stick around for that. More on Access
when we return, our study tip and our motivational pick of the week.